No matter how many crunches we do or how many miles we run, pesky love handles appear to have a life of their own in rejecting every attempt we make to get rid of them. That obstinate layer of fat around our middle that appears impervious to diet and exercise, we've all been there standing in front of the mirror, pinching that extra bit of, wondering why it won't simply go away. It's a frequent battle, one that can be tremendously frustrating and upsetting. It's a frequent frustration, but there's hope. Many of us have tried many diets and exercise regimes only to see modest improvements. But what if there was an alternative approach, one that didn't demand countless hours at the gym or giving up all your favorite foods? Intermittent fasting, or if provides an alternative approach to weight reduction, one that addresses the fundamental causes of persistent obesity like love handles. Unlike standard diets that concentrate on what you eat, it focuses on when you eat. By cycling between times of eating and fasting, you may help your body burn fat more efficiently. One that addresses the fundamental causes of persistent obesity like love handles. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting may help lower insulin levels, improve growth hormone levels, and promote the release of norepinephrine, all of which can help you lose weight and reduce body fat. So if you're weary of waging a losing battle against your love handles, it may be time to give intermittent fasting a try. With a little patience and persistence, you may get the results you've been looking for. Love handles are formerly known as subcutaneous fat deposited just under the skin. While subcutaneous fat isn't necessarily unhealthy, large quantities, especially around the belly, are connected to health concerns. This sort of fat is often resistant to typical weight reduction strategies, leading to frustration for many. Intermittent fasting isn't about you eat, but you eat. It alternates between times of eating and intentional fasting on a regular schedule. This technique goes beyond basic calorie restriction, generating substantial alterations in our body's metabolism. Fasting does more than burn calories. It starts cellular healing processes, boosting our body's capacity to operate properly. This involves a change in hormone balance, leading to enhanced fat burning and lower fat accumulation. Insulin, the gatekeeper of fat accumulation. Insulin, a hormone generated by the pancreas, plays a critical function in fat accumulation. When we consume particularly processed carbs and sweets, our insulin levels jump. This tells our body to store fat, notably in places like the belly, hormonal equilibrium, and fat burning. Intermittent fasting helps to manage insulin levels, reducing the big increases that contribute to fat accumulation. Additionally, fasting boosts the release of growth hormone, which further encourages fat burning and muscular building. Targeting love handles with intermittent fasting by treating the underlying hormonal imbalances that lead to persistent obesity, intermittent fasting may successfully tackle those pesky love handles. Consistent fasting periods enable the body to dip into stored fat for energy, especially the fat around the belly. Finding the correct intermittent fasting approach for you may be a transforming journey towards greater health and wellness. It's crucial to note that intermittent fasting, or if isn't a one-size-fits-all technique, each method has its own specific schedule, rewards, and obstacles. By investigating the many possibilities, you may choose a strategy that corresponds with your lifestyle preferences and health objectives. There are numerous techniques of intermittent fasting, each with its own timetable and advantages. Some of the most common ways are the 1-6-8 method, the 5-2 approach, and alternate day fasting. Each of these approaches has its own distinct approach to fasting and eating, and recognizing the differences might help you make an educated choice. The 16/8 approach, commonly known as the Lean Gains Protocol, entails fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window. This strategy is popular because it can be readily implemented into most people's everyday routines. For example, you may opt to eat between noon and 8 p.m., missing breakfast but still enjoying lunch and supper. This strategy may assist control your body's natural circadian rhythm and may boost metabolic health. Then there's the 5-by-2 approach, where you eat normally for 5 days, then limit calories for 2 non-consecutive days. On the fasting days, you could eat approximately 500 to 600 calories, concentrating on nutrient-packed items to keep you satiated. This strategy might be more flexible, enabling you to pick which days you fast depending on your schedule. It's a terrific choice for people who choose not to fast every day, but still want to gain the advantages of intermittent fasting. Another common strategy is alternate day fasting, when you alternate between days of regular eating and days of fasting. On fasting days, you could eat extremely few calories or none at all. This strategy might be more hard, but may bring major health advantages like better insulin sensitivity and weight reduction. It's crucial to listen to your body and adapt the fasting schedule as required to ensure it matches your lifestyle and health demands. The ideal strategy truly relies on individual tastes and lifestyles. Some individuals thrive on the rigidity of the 1-6-8 approach, while others like the flexibility of the 5-by-2 method or the severity of alternate day fasting. It's vital to analyze your daily routine, job schedule, social activities, and personal health objectives. When selecting an intermittent fasting approach, speaking with a healthcare expert may also give vital insights and help you make the best option for your individual condition. Remember, intermittent fasting is not only about when you eat, but also about what you consume. Focusing on entire, nutrient-packed meals throughout your eating windows may maximize the advantages of fasting. Incorporating a range of fruits, vegetables, lean meats, and healthy fats may improve your general health and make the fasting experience more pleasurable. Staying hydrated and getting enough sleep are also key components of a successful intermittent fasting regimen. Tracking your progress and being mindful of how your body responds to intermittent fasting can help you stay motivated and make necessary adjustments. Keeping a journal or using a mobile app to log your fasting schedule, meals, and how you feel can provide valuable insights and help you stay on track. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small, and be patient with yourself as you navigate this journey towards better health. Finding a support system, whether it's friends, family, or an online community, may also make a major effect. Sharing your experiences, problems, and accomplishments with others who are on a similar path may bring encouragement and accountability. Remember, intermittent fasting is a personal experience, and what works for one person may not work for the other. Be open to trying with new ways and discovering what actually works best for you. Ultimately, the purpose of intermittent fasting is to enhance your overall health and well-being. By selecting the best strategy for you, you can establish a lasting and pleasurable practice that supports your health objectives. Whether you're aiming to reduce weight, enhance metabolic health, or just feel better, intermittent fasting may be a powerful tool on your quest to a healthier, happier life. Getting started with intermittent fasting. Tips for beginners. Starting intermittent fasting doesn't need major adjustments. Begin gently, maybe by extending your overnight fast by an hour or two. Stay hydrated, listen to your body, and don't be afraid to experiment to discover what works best for you. Consistency is crucial. Making intermittent fasting a lifestyle. The key to success with intermittent fasting, like any lifestyle modification, is consistency. Don't get disheartened by occasional slip-ups. Focus on creating sustainable habits that integrate easily into your life. Conclusion: reclaiming your health, one fast at a time. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining a healthy lifestyle may sometimes seem like an uphill fight. With various diets and workout routines promising instant results, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and confused of where to start. However, one strategy that has survived the test of time and garnered substantial attention in recent years is intermittent fasting. This technique not only streamlines your eating routine, but also provides a plethora of health advantages that go beyond merely weight reduction. Intermittent fasting is a strong technique for eliminating those pesky love handles and increasing overall health. By reducing your eating window, you let your body to enter a state of ketosis, when it starts to use fat for fuel instead of depending on glucose. This metabolic transformation may lead to considerable reductions in body fat, especially around the stomach, which is frequently the most tough location to target. Moreover, intermittent fasting has been demonstrated to enhance insulin sensitivity, decrease inflammation, and even increase brain function by studying the science behind intermittent fasting and adopting a technique that matches your lifestyle. You can make this powerful tool work for you. There are numerous strategies to select from, such as the 16/8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window, or the 5-2 approach, where you eat regularly for 5 days and limit your calorie consumption for 2 non-consecutive days. It's crucial to experiment and determine what works best for your body and timetable. Speaking with a healthcare expert or a nutritionist may also give helpful insights and specific direction. You may harness your body's natural power to burn fat and achieve sustained weight reduction. But the advantages of intermittent fasting reach well beyond the scale. Many individuals experience enhanced energy levels, improved mental clarity, and a stronger feeling of well-being. Additionally, intermittent fasting may simplify your daily routine by minimizing the number of meals you need to prepare and consume, freeing up time for other activities you like. Remember, the route of recovering your health is a marathon, not a sprint. By adopting intermittent fasting into your lifestyle, you may take a sustained and successful approach to reaching your health and fitness objectives. So take the first step now and experience the transformational potential of intermittent fasting.
Looking for high-quality supplements backed by Dr. Andrew Huberman himself? Check out the links in the description below and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you've learned anything new or anything of value.